It's really great to be able to be here today. I thank you all for joining together like this and coming out. It makes tremendously great community.
ในก็ให้หาด้วยหอยตึกแต่ความประหยัดสูงยันนำด้วยยินนะยันนำหุ่ยนะ
I came to San Pablo to pastor a church, my family and I, in January of 1999. And it was just shortly after that I began to learn about Kathy Chow Rothberg and her father, Chow Sarn. And in our church, we ministered, we took care of a lot of little Mien children. We brought them in and we began to care for them. We learned, we knew nothing about the Mien and Hmong people. And we began to learn, and it was a fascinating story to find out about the history of the Mien people.
Nên diêm giờ xin chưa ba chưa dập chưa vợ nên quang đối với mẹ bữa nhẹ hoàng tỏi quang đối với chào san áo với nên tại đối với diêm chưa đối quang tại nên là bữa hít tu sẽ đại con hít tu buôn mài miền diêm nay đối với dân nam mông rồi nên tại hít tu con nên ở chủ ha na hổ đối với hạt tại hít tu buôn miền diêm nay.
My wife is Chinese, and her parents were from Guangxi province in China. They came to America in the 40s, late 40s, early 50s. My wife was born in Chicago, and so when we began to learn about the plight of the Mien and Hmong people, it really touched me deep in my heart.
Nên nhé áo vậy tôi bên chân khe nên nhé tôi nên áo tôm nhận yếm quang si với tài nên bữa tài nó giờ xin chưa ba phê xìa người ta âm xìa nhé tòng nên nhé áo xuất xìa yếm Chicago nên lồng nhé áo tài nên chứ tôi.
One of the things that really bothers me the most about the history of the Mien Hmong people is that they were forced to leave their own country, and that to not have your own country, that really makes me angry. I don't like that.
Nên có nên đối với Hong Kong buôn hiếu buôn nên sẽ han chủ buôn miền cho phải miêu nè đối với ở chủ buôn đối với chán chuẩn suốt buôn nhà tập buôn nè nên ham ta nè nên hải buôn hiếu hải buôn nha.
The strength and the integrity, the resilience of the Mien Hmong people was definitely seen in those days when our American soldiers went to Vietnam. If it weren't for the Mien and the Hmong soldiers assisting our soldiers in Vietnam, we probably wouldn't be standing here on this stage talking today. So I'm very grateful for all of those of you who served.
Nên các buôn miền nên phải buôn miền hiếu sẽ hăng các buôn bữa nhiêu nhiều cha bữa nhiêu strength này bữa nhiêu nhiều cha sẽ tùng America mình thảo bữa nhiêu tập trung với bữa ya hải sản chất là bữa đối với chợ công hải sản chất là bữa con giang bữa nhiêu tập trung bữa nhiêu nhiều cha sẽ tùng tế
So one of the things I want to commit myself to you for is to continue to partner with Kathy Chow Rothberg and this organization, all of the military members that are still here, the leaders of the organization, and I'm going to make it a point to try to bring together at our next veterans event in San Pablo all of the Mien soldiers, all of the Mien people that represented the Mien soldiers in our Vietnam War. And I believe that God has something really powerful for us to come together and to be able to recognize and honor the service that you rendered us in that war. And I'm grateful that your families were able to come here, and it's very important to make sure that you have all the amenities, all the opportunities, the freedom that everybody else in this country enjoys.
Nên có như nói chỉ mình nên như hiếu nên ham nếu ở xã Kathy xã yên có bữa xã bữa nan Samakom nên sau tai nên nói pun tiền năm nhang tiền dùn bữa đối tai hậu năm đối tà hàn ngàn này nếu ở sau tai pun anh cao giả bé thảo con bữa pun ต่อไปยังห้องต่อยต่อไปยังฝึกช่วยต่อไปยังซุ้งด้วยเจ้าแต่ปุ่นก็อยากเจนให้หรือในน้อยสาวเจนแต่แค่ที่บัวสาวเจนด้วยยินก่อบัวนำสมาคมเจ้าห้ามแต่นาทีหางสก็นินให้ก้องนอที่หางไปซุ้งเจ้าแต่นาเบื่อเจ้ากาโฮนะ
So I'll be working on that this year as mayor. And so I'll talk to our staff that puts together our Veterans Day event and we'll see what we can do. So stay tuned. And in the meantime, I want to personally thank every soldier that's here that served in the Mien Army over in Vietnam. Any of you who served in any way and all of the high-ranking officers that are still here, I just want to thank you from the depth of my heart for the service that you've done to your people, to help your people in the land that you were in. And thank you for helping our soldiers at the same time. I'm very grateful to every one of you. And I have to say, I love the Mien and Muong people.
Yeah, mình sẽ được sau này nhé, cho công tỏi salang mà cả tiền nhảm tiền chuẩn bữa nó dấu, sau đây được dấu ta cái giàu, rồi nay yếm này nhiều suốt tên này sẽ thấu lãnh sinh bốn tê được tà hàn tỏi, sẽ có hang bữa sinh đảm bữa sẽ có bữa dấu thành bữa miên, bữa thành bữa nhẹ được bữa phình miên bữa thành Hanoi tại tất thành này, ý sản này lãnh sinh bữa giờ tại tất thành bữa miên. Anh thấy trên là bữa nhẹ mẹ ca nhẹ tà hán chỉ đạo mình sáu bữa dấu tại bữa thì lãnh sinh bữa giờ chăm bữa đứa tổng bữa thành chỉ tại ở tệ đó chứ phán tôi nói chỉ chiều à đó chứ